This is Robbie. We're just about to launch into space with all the boys. And yeah, ready to rock and roll, Bubba. It's Scotty, team leader. It's all the boys.
Okay, so this is our first day of riding at Arkaroola, and today I've decided to put a camera on Robbie and also Jono. So turns out both these boys like to go pretty quick, as you can see in the footage. So they provide a lot of fun moments, and they're good to watch ride.
I'll stay sweet today. Okay, alright, I'm just going to cut back and film everyone. Yep.
So we're heading out to the Paralana Hot Springs. Now these are hot springs that sort of come up through radioactive uranium, so they're, I'm not sure, I think possibly they're getting heated by the uranium even, so you can't swim in them because they're radioactive, but yeah, if you want superpowers you can maybe jump in and have a go.
Took the hardest way.
Oh, fuck no. Jason, I think's a mechanic. Oh, so we'll just have a listen. Andy was behind you, wasn't he? Okay, you go down there. I'm just going to go back and check on Andy and just get the boys to have a listen and see. Yeah, I hope it's just like a loose head bearing or something, because coming down there you'd hear a knocking head bearing, so yeah, well that's easy fix. You checked your oil levels today, yeah? Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Bada bing, bada boom, done now.
There's only 7 of us riding today. 3 of the guys, Glenn, Brian and John, they've chartered a flight to go and see the Flinders Ranges from the air, so that would have been pretty spectacular, but yeah. So we had a great day riding, and we met up with the other guys later in the afternoon, and they told us, yeah, they had a great flight.
expecting me using this.
Hey boys, out of on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate that track on spiciness?
11.
11? Oh,
Number 1.
Probably about a 7.
a 7?
7 out of 10. Yeah.
Spicy or hard?
This is a Flinders Ranges.
You talking hard or are you talking fucking...
Oh, just a bit rocky.
Spicy, technical, hard, entertaining.
But that's, you know, it is big.
Yeah.
Jesus. Fuck, that was close. Oh man, that's hot, eh? Really? Yeah, it's beautiful.
Sorry, that was a bit more than I was expecting. You're off balance. So did you dunk your noodle?
I'll be Mr. Glowworm. Oh mate, yeah. Rocks and rocks. And more rocks. Yeah, but this is the land of the Flinders. Oh yeah.
I was up here, I think. Might run out of track.
Bloody Jono, he's picked up the pace, hasn't he?
He hasn't got all that luggage now.
Yeah.
That's the first really off-road I've ever done. I've done on it. So, I haven't ridden for 3 years. Oh, a bit of mucking around, yeah. Not seriously.
Pretty good then, yeah.
Parks and whatnot.
He hasn't had that broken bone to slow him down yet. How's your engine not going?
Good, mate, good. Yeah, going good. Yeah, that's display unit. So,
I can't believe you nearly pulled the pin.
yeah, I thought it was something more serious, but no.
Yeah, I'm glad we had it looked at.
All good. All good.
You have to get one of those Motology ones.
No one else in the car. I've seen someone walk past behind us.
There they stopped at the woodalls. That's good.
When amor hits your eyes like a big pizza pie, it's amore.
Now you're going for the echo, remember?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. When the moon hits your eyes like a big pizza pie, it's amore. When your heart goes tippy-tay in the morning, life's a dream. Can't you see? Even
Hey.
Slow clap.
You cheeky bastard. I went back up that hill that we all did the climb on. I've come in the other side and I've looked down and I go, fuck no. Did you guys do it? Oh man, it looked hell steep looking down it. I was like, woo! Shit balls. It was a chicken track, I should have taken it. Ugh. Oh, traction control's killing me on this shit. I think they went up there, yeah. Yeah, there they are up there.
Yeah, some of those ruts when you see them coming, it's like, oh, here you go.
Mate, I'm just starting to get the feel of my bike now.
Oh, you're a weapon. I watched you go by and then fucking I blink and then you're down in that corner and then I blink and you're over there. I was like, holy shit, you're moving.
I was fucking on a mission to get these boys.
Your chain might need adjusting too by the look of it. Your chain might need adjusting.
The wheels move.
Oh, has it?
The wheels slip.
Fuck. Yeah, yeah, that's... Yeah, sit it up again.
She's loose.
Wow. I might have just saved your life, buddy, seeing that.
No, you have. Ooh, that's not good.
I got tools, guys.
We've got this.
I got KTM tools.
Have you?
And then I've got the porterhouse
Skippy.
chips and veggies.
Porterhouse, chips and veg.